Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making chicken palak, which is packed with nutrient and perfect for any meal. Before starting the recipe, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. Let's get started. Start by adding water in a pan. Cover the pan and let it boil. Once it's boiling, add 1 kilogram of spinach. Let it soak. Cover the pan and boil for 5 minutes. After that, remove the spinach, chop it finely and set it aside. In the same pan, heat 1 cup of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste. Saute for a minute, then add 3 sliced onion and fry them until they turn golden. Once the onions are done, add 750 gram of chicken. Mix everything well and cook it until the color changes. And cover the pan, give it a mix. Then season it with 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of crushed cumin. Mix everything well and cook the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes. After this, give it a good mix. Next add 4 chopped tomatoes. Stir it, cover and let it cook until the tomatoes are soft. Once done, give it a good mix. Add half cup of water. Let the chicken cook thoroughly. When the chicken is cooked, uncover the pan, mix it and add chopped spinach. Stir everything together, cover and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Finally, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander and 3 chopped green chilies. Mix it well and let it simmer for 2 minutes. And there you have it, a hearty, flavorful chicken palak ready to serve. Enjoy this dish with naan and steamed rice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking.